I'm going to show you some information on how to get enrolled in Cirrus, our software we're going to be using this term for the class. If you are on our Moodle website, you'll drop down to Okay, I'm going to teach you how to get enrolled in Cirrus today. It's pretty straightforward. You'll click here to enroll. At this time, you'll get the first page of the enrollment. And on this one, I'd like you not to fill this in. We want to do getting started first, so do not put your email. Just click on getting started. And when you do that, this form will appear. You put your Lane email, which is your last name, first initial, at lanecc.edu, and you'll click on Next. This screen will come up. It'll say school's not found. Not a problem. Just click on Next one more time. On this screen, you'll do the drop-down box. Select Oregon. Drop-down box. Select Lane Community College. Put the course code in. It's in uppercase, capital O, R, Q, A, 6E. That'll be the access code, join code, the join code to get into my class. You click join, check join code. The screen will pop up one more time. Click check join code again. This form will appear. I'd like you to fill this out completely. Your email will appear. Put it in again. Your password, double check it. The join code, it'll tell you it's my class that you're getting into. With your text, when you purchase your text, you'll get an activation code. With your text, you'll put that activation code in. How to get enrolled in Cirrus. This is the software we'll use for this course, so I'll walk you through how to get enrolled so you can get started. So in our class in Moodle, you'll see the instructions, and here it says click here to enroll. If you click on that button, you'll get this enrollment sheet. On the first page it says email and password. I'd like you to skip that and go to getting started. And on this page you'll fill in your Lane email, your last name, and it's usually last name first initial at lanecc.edu. You'll click on the next button. At that point, it'll say school not found, and that's not really a problem. Just click on Next again. At this point, you'll get another screen. It'll have your email. You'll need to use the drop-down to find Oregon and your school Lane. And the code for this class, the join code is uppercase O, R, Q, A, 6E. You'll add that join code, have it check. First time you check it, it will come back and come back with this form. Join again. When you get to join the second time join code, you'll get this screen, and you'll create your account. You'll fill this in with you've got your email already. It'll fill it in with it again. Your password. Double check your password. Join code. You've got the right join code. It'll say you're in BT120, OSAC, fall of 2019. And down here, you'll put in first name, last name. It's good if you use your real first and last name, not your nicknames, because I use this for grading in the program in the grade book. So use your first name and last name that you have used in Lane enrollment. Do your security question. When you have finished that, click on Create, and you will have gotten enrolled in Cirrus.